A lot of people have been asking about my hair lately. I'm gonna share the products I use, just my general hair routine, the tools I use. So the only two styling products I use are these guys right here. I love the John Frieda Luxurious Volume Refresh Dry Shampoo, as well as the Forever Full Hairspray. This, I did a partnership with them, I wanna say like a year ago. For this hairspray, and I was like, yeah, sure, send it my way. Let me test it out and see if I like it. I've been using it ever since. This is my go-to hairspray now. I love it. And actually, the dry shampoo, I use this on days when my roots are a little oily and I don't want to wash my hair, but I want to make it look a little more lively. But this also works for volume. So even after I blow dry my hair and put the waves through it, I'll kind of just, I'll show you. So I'll lift my hair up like this and spray it into my roots. And even that just gives like a lift. It gives it that air because it is a dry shampoo, and again, it's absorbing anything in your roots to really just make your hair look more lively. So what I'll do is I'll spray that through the roots, and then I'll go in with this. Personally, me, I do not need a ton of hairspray to hold my style. Coarse hair just tends to hold style better, but I will spray it through just lightly once through. Same thing. I like to lift my hair and just kind of from the bottom. And that's really what gives it more volume. If you're spraying like this, really you're just kind of like flattening your hair out. But if you lift your hair up and spray from the bottom, you're getting that hold action, but again, you're getting more volume too. And this says builds fullness and hold for fine hair. Definitely don't have fine hair, and it works wonderfully for me.